The number one issue now for Diamond Lakes Park. A popular recreation area is open, but the bathrooms are not. News Channel 6's George Escala tells us what's being done to get things back to normal.
You can feel it in the air. Summer fast approaching here at popular Diamond Lakes, but visitors are going to have to get used to using those things. Not for a couple of days or even a couple of weeks. It looks like a couple of months. Tamyrick Fields is a longtime visitor to Diamond Lakes, but now he sees all the satellites.
Porta potty when it's summertime, especially if it hasn't been changed, it's a lot of fumes coming out of there that you probably don't want to smell, so I don't know how I feel about that.
They're growing like mushrooms after a rain, porta-lets popping up all over Diamond Lakes. The reason, the bathrooms and the two scoring towers are now shut down for maintenance.
The temporary fix is all of these new porta-lets that you see out here, almost 31 in number, to try to accommodate the huge, vast amount of individuals that we have coming out here.
There's also a long-term solution. Commissioners approving $500,000 in Rescue Act funds to repair the bathrooms. The work is expected to take 60 to 90 days.
This $500,000 is going to address the drainage and overflow issue that we were having that was causing the bathrooms to be overflooded.
Diamond Lakes draws a lot of visitors, but for the next several weeks, the facilities will not be gems.
It's pretty popular for sure.
And we're looking at a summer of porta potties.
Exactly. How does that work?
The contractor's supposed to get the work the 16th of this month. City officials say they're going to try to speed up the process. However, staffing and supply chain are still issues. In Augusta, George Escala, WJBF, News Channel 6.